won't bring one very serious matter on this table. Some people will they complain, say, I call so artist, he charge me money. I call this influencer for advert, he charge money. I call this musician, he they charge me money. The money where he call too much, this and that. He even get one where I give prize one day. He tell me, say, why would you charge that kind of amount? Are you AY? Are you Bovi? Are you Agudai? Are you this? Are you that? I say, if you don't pay, leave am, not be forced. I'm not insult you. The only price I give you. Ask me how much. I tell you the best. Even get one woman wey call me for her daughter wedding. Say how much I dey charge. I can't tell her. She say for what? Now I come point the cow where they buy for the wedding. Say, you see that cow? I say yes. Say we bought that cow 150,000. And you are charging this amount. More than almost 4 times the amount for cow. Let me ask you, are you cow? Yeah! Can you do what the cow is doing for this wedding? Can we kill you and share the meat? Jesus! She was angry. But now let me say this. First of all, let me pick it from Nollywood. How many of you don't see some of these Nollywood veterans? All these are our legend. People who make us happy with their movies. That time we were small. Now some of them now don't get some kind sickness where if you say 2 million naira figure, but they don't get it. Some don't even get one disease where if you say 1 million naira can take care of it, but they don't have the money. They don't get them. 1 million. Veteran actor, legend, Nollywood superstar, don't get them. My question is this. Where those people where they do free show, those people where they do free adverts for that time, those people they attend their events for free, those people that go grace their occasion and don't collect money, because these guys they run their brand or they did all these things with only passion. They do this industry with passion. They not do them to carry money for mind. Although some of them don't even make money, but some made money, but probably they not invest or they not save. Happen to anybody, or they get 1 or 2 issues, then bust their savings, everything finish. But my question is, now where they find money, they contribute money for their health. Where those people where they do free events for, where they do, even their colleagues, where they really even do. They say this one. Even their colleagues, some of them don't answer them. Because you see, when you are doing something, then just do something because it did your mind. Do am common face. As an image, you cut or see you. Just do am throw a face. Do like say you not do anything. Because if you do am because of people, if you do something for person, make the person for help you tomorrow, you not get help. How you take no say go help you? You know that only you did like that for this life. All those big men that year where they do things for, advertise their product. Even do brand ambassador for their companies that time. They not collect money. But where those men did today? Now they are still running back to church for help. You get one where they say one pastor give 7 million. See claim or amazing. A whole claim or amazing. They seek money not do. Emeka Ani was not just an actor, he was also a producer. He had a big production company. I remember those days where I still there as Asaba. He had a boss where they write Chuka Emeka Ani production. He was doing well. Today he's sick, money not there. Moral lesson. Live your life the best way you can. Prepare for rainy days. No condition is permanent. And don't do things for people because they will do for you again when it gets to your turn. Number one, it might never get to your turn to need help. God did. Secondly, when it gets to your turn, they might disappoint you. And the people you don't expect, then go later come through for you. Use your friends well, don't use your colleagues here. I not see one Nollywood star we post claim or amazing say we need help. They not post that. Now if they go events, spray money that they post. 200 naira where they spray. If they gather and give the man, she will go know how much we remember. But they be celebrities, you can't tell them what to do. I cannot go for because of Nollywood. Can't be like say old age don't come. So anybody wey dey say might do anything for am for free. If I not do enough best, on my hustle I do. I no get another work. I don't go.
Yeah, the King Famous Bush father. You said it all, my brother. You said almost my mind, because sometimes whenever I want to talk about some certain things, because my work is to talk, and I told people, anything you don't want us to talk about on social media, don't bring it on social media. Once it's on social media, we will digress it. And everyone that listens to my message will in one word or the other understand where I'm coming from. I said it before about Nollywood. But before I go there, let me touch what my brother the King Famous said. There are a lot of people we did free show for. Even from Nigeria, when I started this entertainment thing. So many churches, we played music for them free. So many churches, we went for vigil. Ask about me. Destiny Onuchukwu from Ejibo, his son of Munshi. In Lagos State, US and Hawaii. So many pastors that was doing outreach, morning cry, vigil, praise concert, were ministering free of charge. And it was only few of them that will always understand that these guys, that this is their gift. When we are going, they'll just give little token. Sometimes I carry my teams, they are aware. I will take my team, we'll go and play at the end of everything. I will use my money and pay them just for the passion and the joy of it. And tomorrow when the Lord started blessing you in that field, started announcing you, some of them will still want you to be doing it free. And they forgot to understand that the more a man is growing, more responsibility is having. More responsibility that is coming his way. Family to take care of. People to take care of. Some of them in this Dubai, they will chat to you because they believe they see you on daily basis. They see you every day. They see you around. When they want to do birthday shout-outs, they will ask you how much. When you tell them the price, you say, ordinary 2 minutes video, that one for you. But they will not prefer to call people that is far and pay them huge amount of money because of see finish. Because they believe that they want you to do it free for them. When you come now, this one what they see every day. Why go give them this amount? Who be? Forgetting to understand that even those super celebrities that you think that they are the one that will celebrate you, they once started from somewhere. They once did some works free. Till they got to this point that made you to start falling in love with them. If you don't support your own around you, then what is the problem? Who will you support? Some of you now will you carry water from the cup and pour inside ocean. Some of our starters, upcomers also, they don't help themselves. You will call your colleague, you want to post to me here. Even to celebrate a fellow colleague on birthday becomes a big deal for them. And I form here what you see. But on their own birthday, they want people to celebrate them. Your colleague again on the same field. Here your field. The same thing. To post your birthday picture becomes a problem. Was there a minute video that doesn't cost them anything? They'll start billing you. Then tomorrow, God forbid, if that person have 1 or 2 misfortune, they will still want you to repost on your platform so that people will see them. Entertainers, hatred everywhere. Then tomorrow night, if I decide to have my bill now, how much they make money on 1 weekend? Actually, then it was the last price here. It's in Nigeria worldwide on 1 weekend. Just like my brother is saying. But when you have the opportunity to help, you're not helping out. You feel that you're on top of the world. There's something I told somebody today. Now don't be afraid to walk alone. And nothing lasts forever. You see those people that you think they are working with you and not all party. When you feel alone, and they're alone. A time will come. Those people will leave you and follow new people. Then you will start looking for new friends. There's something I want to let you know today about life. That all that glitters is not gold. We started from a square. And that is why today I tell them, don't envy the grace. You don't know the story. Talking about Nollywood, like he said, some of these top celebrities, how many of you have posted them? The sick ones. If I thought somebody would tell me, are you not part of them? Why did you post it? The one I'm posting don't come. Like some of you will come post about Biafra, talk about it. Before New Year, I posted Mazen Nnamdi Kanu speech. I said, Happy New Year from Mohammadike. Look at how many few comments I saw there. But tomorrow, Fonyala, Muduchalon will just walk in from nowhere to my DM. You talk about Biafra. You are not representing Biafra. As if Biafra no one and How many of you people that tell me to talk about Biafra has asked me, how do you feed? How do you pay your bills in Dubai? Look at common, just a little funny video I made just for fun on New Year. That people should stop telling me Happy New Year, stop sending me sticker, ask me for my card number. Some of you that lack Opunisi, because Edukuche is different from education. When you have Edukuche, you are better than somebody that have education. And when you have education, you don't have Edukuche, you are useless in life. Some of those people that don't have Edukuche came to my inbox and started telling me, how many did you send money? How many did you help? I don't have money, but the little I have, I give. I don't need to report the sleep. Yes. My baby will always tell me, at least you did, people will say, I said, make them not see. See waiting. If they see a human award. There is no gift you give to anybody that you receive an award as the best giver. Whatever you give to them, somebody has given more than you. You don't know, no. Look at veterans. Somebody like Clems or Haneze, I said it before. He still went to Man of God. Man of God has to be the one to give him money. What is Nollywood celebrities? They throw egg on Instagram. Now pop champagne, name it Dorime. What are they doing? If you talk, I say no, look at this, our brother now, Duru, now that diabetes. These are the people, the legend of the past. Coming to Facebook to beg me. Emeka Rollers, what is happening in Nollywood? How'd you go and get a draw before? And somebody said that is not only in Nollywood, but something is fishy wrong there. Tomorrow night, for church. Then the man of God will still donate money. It will be like now Sunday pastor and yesterday Nollywood actor Saka. What is this? What is happening in Nollywood? What is happening in the society? Somebody will tell you to do advert or birthday shout out. They forgot to understand even the people that will edit the video, not matter they may edit. But when they made the clip, it was etc. At least they charge their phone. They want you to do it free for them because they believe they know you see finish. Instead of go, outside on the phone, million transfer, million. Then tomorrow, when you need my help, and you chose him a birthday, you will not call that person that did the advert for you. It's Chobazie Makanem and I'm not so. You can never call on a flight to see Nigeria Bemelu MC. No Buddha. Then I will now take the risk. Jay Jabani. Some of you in a Jebru birthday, Tina Biapalo. I take a risk in Andeke Abia. Take a risk of the nonsense. Take them Bumande Afghan Siganaro. We endure those things to do your occasion, yet you don't appreciate good things. Anybody that doesn't appreciate good things is wicked. And any wicked person can never make it in life. Then tomorrow, you go you see the jail guy. No, you don't know when I started, okay? I was 1 year before. All the way back from home, from east. to Lagos. So where you know man? So don't envy the glory, you don't know the story. So they're from east to Lagos. So I know start today. Don't think I just woke up and started doing this thing I'm doing. And this is New Year. I don't get time for bad energy. If you feel we cannot work together, one day walk away. I said it today. One day, don't be afraid to walk alone. Nothing lasts forever. Those people, I know people I worked with last year. Some of them this year, they did not even wish me Happy New Year. Some of them, they even call, even from that last year. That is to tell you that the time gets to a point whereby people will begin to deviate in your life. It's left for you to channel your life the way you want it to be. Happy New Year. Keep focus. The year is just starting. This year will be a year of work and reap reward. If you know work, I swear, reward Adabia. You must work to chop.